Well, guys, we're learning alcohol groups right now, and it's basically the same as we were learning the alkynes. And the first question we have right here, it asks us to identify the structure, if it's primary, secondary, or tertiary. So that's very simple. You guys just count the number of carbon connected to the carbon that connect to the oxygen, which is the alpha carbon. Just check how many carbon bonds connect to the alpha carbon. And I didn't write down the structure, like what structure was it, but I just put on the name instead. But that was just simple stuff that you guys all can do with. And we just go to the second question, which is the naming part. So it's basically the same when we were naming alkanes as I was mentioned. So we need to find where the hydroxide group, the alcohol group first exists, and the alcohol group will be our first priority, or will be the major thing we're looking for. And we're gonna change the ANE to ANOL, so the alkane to alkano. And still, we're gonna look for the longest hydrocarbon chain with or having the connection with the alcohol group. And for this question, we have a alcohol group right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're not gonna go from left to right because the alcohol group is gonna be number 4, and we want to see the alcohol group as soon as possible. So we're gonna label it from right to the left, where it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the name of it is, then we have a substituent here with the bromo, so we're gonna indicate it by the alphabetic order. Start with the B, which is the bromo. So 5 bromo and 2 pentanol, or we can do like 5 bromo pent 2 OL. And the one after that, we do see a chloro group on number 5 chain, because we go from right to the left again so that we can see the alcohol group first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a alcohol, there's a chloro, the chlorine, and the 6 carbon. So we have 5 chloro, 5 methyl hexenol or hexanol. When the anal group is on the first one, we don't have to indicate it, but when it's on the second, other than the first one, we have to label like where is it located. On the third one, we have a carboxylic, a cyclo right here. It's a ring structure. And we also have a alkane right here. It's a double bond, so we need to indicate the double bond too. And we see the alcohol group on the first carbon, then it goes down to the second carbon with the alkene located. So we have 2 cyclopentene, 1 OL, or cyclopentene, no. We don't have to indicate the 1. There's also a stereochemistry around this central carbon. Since we have a double bond right here, it's a totally different structure. And 1, 2, 3, it should be an S, since the alcohol group is away from us, so we need to reverse the stereochemistry, so it should be an R structure. So we have R cyclopent. 2 is where the alkene is located, and that's for the alcohol group. So other than that, the rest should be the same. We just need to look for the alkenes, alkynes, where the alcohol group is located, and where should we go first, and the substituents. Make sure we need to indicate the stereochemistry when there's a chiral center. Any questions, just let me know. Thank you.